I have a breaking news update. This was shared by some of the leaders from the centre, leaders outside from the centre who have spoken about the Maharashtra victory, and I want everybody to listen to this carefully. My colleague Sandeep is also joining us live from Mumbai, but before that, they feel the reasons for this resounding mandate in Maharashtra. Point number one, the state government succeeded in maintaining a good balance of indirect benefits, roads, water infrastructure, direct benefits, Ladki Bahne, Kisan Samman Nidhi. In 2019, Uddhav Thackeray, second reason, in 2019, Uddhav Thackeray cheated BJP. Sanjay Raut's daily commentary worked against the MVA. Point number three, Eknath Shinde took Bala Saheb's Hindutva forward. Point number four, our voter was very confident because of the 400 par slogan. The mistake was corrected. We were overconfident. These are central leaders saying off record in briefings, right? They feel we went overboard in Lok Sabha. It is now being corrected. What point that Ratan Sharda has made many times. Record 60,000. I think your number was 40,000 meetings. Record 60,000 meetings with RSS and other organizations outside of RSS as well to mobilize voters across Maharashtra. Point number 5, I think we are getting in some breaking news update. I'll go across to that. Live pictures coming in.
निश्चित रूप से हमने जो किया है उसको लोगों ने प्राथमिकता दी है और आशीर्वाद भी दिए, और इसीलिए ये मैं सभी कार्यकर्ताओं को धन्यवाद देता हूँ महायुति के, जिन्होंने मेहनत की और इस मुकाम तक लाया है। ये भी मैं कहूँगा 2.5 साल में केंद्र और राज्य सरकार, ये डबल इंजन वाली सरकार चली है। आदरणीय मोदी जी ने भी काफी सपोर्ट किया है। कितनी बार उन्होंने ये महाराष्ट्र का दौरा किया। अमित भाई जी ने भी बहुत इसमें ध्यान दिया है। हमारे सभी नड्डा जी हो, कई लोग हो, ये सभी केंद्रीय जो नेतागण हैं, उन्होंने भी महाराष्ट्र को बहुत प्राथमिकता दी है। महाराष्ट्र एक बड़ा राज्य है और ये राज्य जो है ये देश में नंबर 1 का राज्य है, और इसलिए इसमें ये सत्ता लाना, बल्कि लाना नहीं कि एक थम्पिंग मेजोरिटी से लाना, ये बहुत बड़ी जीत है। मैंने कहा था विधानसभा के सेशन में कि हमारे 200 से ज्यादा सीटें आएगी, वो आज खरा साबित हुआ है। इसका भी मुझे गर्व है कि ये जनता की आवाज है, ये जनता की सरकार है, और जनता की सरकार जनता के भले के लिए ये सरकार।
All right. So, going back to the point that were made, a record 60,000 meetings with RSS, other organizations to mobilize voters. Batenge to katenge, silent message has worked. Uddhav Thackeray's anti-Hindu politics has cost him dearly. And finally, Savarkar was insulted. Rahul Gandhi never once mentioned Bala Saheb as Hindu Hriday Samrat. I want to start with Ratan Sharda and then get everybody on the points that I just mentioned. Ratan Sharda.
I have already said that these are all valid points and these need to be discussed openly. They need to be acknowledged. By not acknowledging the kind of divisive politics that is being played around, by not talking about development that has taken place, I would have said that Mumbai, at least the kind of development Mumbai has seen in since Devendra Fadnavis became Chief Minister, should have made Mumbai vote 100% for Devendra Fadnavis. Because what this gentleman losing his cool was shouting about, till BJP government came to the fore, Mumbai had never seen development. They were always suffering. They were paying the most of the income tax. They were being discriminated. Nobody paid attention. And when you talk about, you always keep on running after Maulanas and Maulvis and not looking after the common interest under so-called secularism, that will also suffer. So this soft work, you can keep on shouting. See, work on the street work.
You have to take critics as well, sir.
What people had,
sir, my question to you is, if there were so many welfare programs, if there was so much development,
people to
why had you to announce freebies? Why had you to increase the freebie amount?
That is for BJP to respond. That is not my field. That is not. नहीं, यानी आप करेंगे freebie तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. BJP करेगी तो गलत है.
बात करते हैं मोदी जी.
तो करते हैं तो किया तो आपको.
आप भी तो बात किए.
आपका मोनोपोली है.
देश बर्बाद हो जाएगा.
फ्रीबी आपके लिए मोनोपोली है.